Hi, in this video I'll be talking about logarithms. Now, what are logarithms basically? Logarithms are numbers that can be simplified using basic rules or formulated tables. Now, what are these basic rules? These are the rules of logarithms. At the end of this video you will get to understand these rules of logarithm that I'm talking about. And the other basic or formulated table is the use of the four-figure table, the logarithm table and the anti-logarithm four-figure table. Now, we'll also learn examples, basic examples in your WASSCE and your UTME. This will help you in preparation for your exam. So sit tight and enjoy it. Thank you.